Good morning, everybody. It is an absolutely stellar morning out here. Beautiful. It's going to be really hot today, like 104, 105. You can already feel the heat from it. Feels good though in the morning. Brought my fishing hoodie, all that stuff, just to keep that off me here as the afternoon starts rolling in. But no, we're going to try this dock first. Yeah, I'm pretty pumped about fishing today. We're gonna get in some fish and we'll get some good footage going. And yeah, anyway, come along with me. All right, first cast of the day. Let's go. All right, first cast to no avail, but that's okay, you guys. It's early. I mean, you know, got like a million more casts we can do. A lot of fish jumping already this morning. Ton of them out that way. Man, not even a bite yet. Usually at least get a little bit of action here. Fish on. There we go. There we go. Fish on. Hold up, buddy. There we go. Oh man, got him right in the schnoz. It's not a bad looking fish. Not a very big guy. Good looking fish though. Got the stank off for the day. Obviously I try to be as easy as possible with these dudes. Get him back in his home there. And he's gone. Alright guys, that's a pretty dang good way to start the day off. I would start my day off right as well. Bam. In your face. What? Today we are just using a wacky rig setup. A little bit of a modified version that my buddy showed me, so I'm not really going to put that out there because that's his thing. If it was just mine, I'd show it, but I'm going to leave it alone anyway. Got a little split shot on there as well, just to get a little weight on there, a little bit of casting distance. Yeah, anyway, one fish on the board. Let's keep going. man, it is so nice out right now. Sun started getting pretty hot, but all right, I think a couple more casts, you guys. I think we're gonna work our way up that shoreline. There we go. I feel it. Smallmouth on this one. It's coming. I feel it. You guys feel it? I feel it. I feel it. Oh, jeez. Almost ate it. Ew. There we go. That's where some bass are sitting. I think I'm just gonna kind of walk the shoreline and test out a couple spots. Seen a few bass chilling in some of these shallows from up top there. Really? Somebody's socks? What is that? Okay. So anyway, yeah, I think we'll have some luck here. If not, there's like 2 or 3 more spots we're gonna go try today. And yeah, we'll have some fun. See you guys shortly. Just parkouring off some rocks. Know what I'm saying? As I just eat it and get it all on film. That'd be pretty awesome, actually. Oh, jeez. I think we're gonna get up to this spot. We'll do a little bit more fishing, then I think we're gonna try some different areas here. So we've only got one today. And I would like for that number to be a lot higher. That one. He took it for a split second and then decided he did not want it. Let's try again. Oh man, can't believe I missed that one. You guys can probably just see the outline of him, but there is a big old catfish right there. Dang, he's huge. That's awesome. tried a couple more spots at the lake and they were just kind of a bust. So we're gonna try this little pond that I've never fished before. Supposedly there's some largemouths and trout in it, but hey, we're gonna find out. See you soon. Pretty cool little pond, but the algae and all the seaweed, whatever you want to call it, stuff is kind of everywhere. I feel like I'm just gonna end up getting snagged up if I throw anything in there. I'm not seeing any fish swimming around in there either. Oh man, looks a little milky on this side. No thanks. I think we're gonna check out that right there because it's just ahead. If that looks about the same, we're gonna call this a day. Man, it got hot quick out there. Only caught one today. Fishing was a little slow. I even ran into a couple guys there at the lake and they even said they were struggling a little bit, so it makes me feel like I'm doing something okay. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna call it a day today. We're just gonna continue to do what we're doing here. We're gonna keep fishing, going out and finding new spots to fish, trying different things, leaving the comments some of the stuff you guys like to use, some of the stuff that works, some of the stuff that doesn't. Yeah, anyway, looking forward to hearing from you guys. Until next time, thanks for coming with me.